Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to upload GIF screenshots to Steam, a quick and easy process that takes just a few minutes. First, open your Steam app and log into your account using your username and password. Next, click your profile name in the top right corner and select View My Profile. After that, go to the Artwork section and click Upload Artwork. Choose Not Game Specific to keep your GIF independent of any particular game. Now give your GIF a clear and catchy title, then upload the file from your computer. To complete the setup, add a description that explains the context or story behind your GIF. This helps boost engagement. Set your visibility preferences, public, friends only, or private, then review your ownership details to ensure everything is properly attributed. Finally, click Save and Continue to publish your GIF screenshot. And that's it. You've just uploaded a GIF to Steam for others to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.